Hello everyone, Mike with Fuse in our training center and office here in San Jose, California, and we have plenty of different ACs in this room. This is one of the units, by the way, one of the most efficient units here. Topic I'll talk today is when do you need to replace the unit versus fix it. So once your unit is older than 12 years, it's a good idea to actually replace it, not to fix it, because based on all the data information that we gathered, what's happening is you will eventually pay more money to keep the 12-plus-year-old unit than replacing it. There are various components in the AC that break down. When you start adding those components like compressors, control boards, fuses, many different things inside, when you add them together after 12 years and stack them up, you'll end up paying more money than you would replace the actual unit and also replace the coils. This is the outdoor component of the AC. There is also indoor component which is called coils, and coils is another big problem. So what's happening with the coils, there is a mold inside, leaks, looks very bad, looks very dirty, so all that air goes to your house again. So one thing is, yes, you eventually would save money. Another thing, you will have much better product, more efficient, with a new warranty and professionally installed and so on. So it's a good idea to do some math and to understand that by keeping the old unit, you're not saving money. You think you might save, but at the end of the day, you would not save, you would pay a bit more. But you can have a way nicer unit, pay less, and use it at the same time, having a nicer product, having a better coils to breathe fresh air than the old ones. So obviously, if you're not sure which route to go, call us. We're gonna come out, do the assessment, check your unit, see how good or bad is it, and we would advise you whether it makes sense to replace it or to fix it, and also can give you several estimates, so it's gonna be easier for you to decide which route to go. Thank you for watching, and please reach out to us for the estimates, and we'll be more than happy to come out and provide you the best service. Thank you.